guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit on subscribe button, like and share. Hey guys, so last weekend we went for hiking at Taman Tugu. The entrance is just right next to the main entrance. Here's the map, so we are going to the yellow and green trail. Let's roll! Guys, check out 10 things we found here in Taman Tugu. CP1 here. So this is the level, CP1. It is very easy, guys. If you're a beginner or you just want to try to go hiking, this is one of the best places that you can visit. It's very easy. You just need to follow all the signs, okay? Okay, where do we go? Right or left, baby? Can we eat that? Yeah? You try first. I'll try second. Hey! Abang? Why so fast? You know what this is? Hibiscus. So this is part of the research area. This is for you not to touch or even enter here. Okay, we have to take care of forestry. There is a gazebo somewhere in CP15. Okay, let's get up on here. Okay, you guys have to be careful here. If there's any other people come here on top here before you came, because this isn't sanitized. So there's a small little river. Okay, but I don't know where to go there. Can we go straight? So you can see KL Tower from here. There, KL Tower. To KL Tower though. There's a monkey with a baby. Oh, they're coming over here, baby. Baby. You sure you want to go up here? This is direct to 24 to the exit. This one is 23 and then there will be another 24. See, I'm Pandai. We are approaching the tower very soon. Can we go up there? Ooh. Can we go up? Can we go up here? So this is up from the tower, and that is our last pit stop. We need to take the staircase up to CP24. There. Alright, we are exiting back to CP1. Just right up of the city hiking trail, you can see there's a small farm with lots of trees. You can adopt that. That's all for today's trip to Taman Tugu hiking trail. just before you exit, you can place some donation over the tree over the other side or buy some drinks. The entrance is free. So we took about an hour and 20 minutes for about 3.5 kilometers trail, green trail and yellow trail. Till next time, guys.